Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to hide photos and videos on the Vivo Y200 4G. Now to do that, just open the gallery app on your smartphone. Now from here, just select the photos and videos which you want to hide. Just like that. Now from here, just tap on more and tap on hide. Now from here, tap on hide. Now as you can see, we have successfully hidden the photos and videos from our gallery app. Just like that. Now to get access of the hidden photos and videos on your smartphone, just tap on the settings icon at the upper right corner on the display. Now from here, just tap on hidden photos. Now as you can see, these are the photos and videos we have just hidden. Just like that. Now, to unhide the hidden photos and videos, just select the photos and videos which you want to unhide. Just like that. Now, once you select the photos and videos which you want to unhide, just tap on unhide. Now from here, tap on unhide. Now, as you can see, we have successfully removed the photos and videos from our hidden photos section. Now, just go back. Now, as you can see, we have successfully unhidden the photos and videos from our hidden folder. And this is how you can hide photos and videos on the Vivo Y200 4G. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.